Welcome to this PIERRE Academy tutorial. In this video, we will show you how to wire and commission the new PIERRE T2 thermostat using Modbus. Here you can see the new PIERRE thermostat. This model supports Modbus communication, Zigbee integration, and floor heating control. We start by wiring the power supply. First, we connect the phase, then the neutral. In this example, we are using Modbus, so we continue by wiring the Modbus cable to the TTL converter. Once the wiring is complete, we power up the system. Next, we add the thermostat in the Partner app. We open the Partner app, select our controller, then go to Configurable IO and choose Add. Here we select Modbus RTU and name it Modbus. We set the pins according to the wiring. In our case, we choose pin 6 and pin 7 and leave the remaining settings as default. Then we submit. A new Devices tab appears. We open it and choose Add New Modbus IO. From the list, we select the PIERRE T2 thermostat and name it T2 thermostat. The address is set to 1. By default, all T2 thermostats use address 1. We submit and then place the thermostat directly on the Academy dashboard. We also add the temperature sensor and the humidity sensor. Now we switch to the user app. The T2 thermostat appears immediately. We can turn it on, adjust the target temperature, and see that changes are reflected instantly on the phone. We can read both the temperature and humidity values, and everything works correctly. Next, we show how to change the Modbus address. We power off the thermostat, then press and hold both buttons at the same time. This opens the menu. We navigate through the menu until we reach parameter 12, which is the Modbus address. Here, we can set the address as needed. It's important that the address set on the thermostat matches the address configured in the app. In this example, we keep it set to 1. After a few seconds, the thermostat exits the menu automatically. We power it back on, and it starts working normally again. And that's it. This is how you wire and set up the PIERRE T2 thermostat using Modbus. See you in the next video.